Hey everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Bucker Designs, and I'm so excited to bring you my first class to go from the new Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. It features the Celebrate Sunflower stamp set, as well as the coordinating dies. This is probably my favorite bundle in the whole catalog. I just really love sunflowers. So I designed the class to go all around this bundle, as well as using these really beautiful Memories and More cards. The pack has 2 different sizes, and you will use the cards from the pack along with a little bit of designer series paper to make your cards. The class will include 8 cards total. We have 6 full-size cards and 2 smaller cards. The class is delivered straight to your mailbox with everything that you need except for ink and adhesive. There are several options for my class. If you've never gotten a class to go, let me tell you about the options. Option 1 is the option that includes the bundle. If you don't have this yet, this would be the option for you. Option 1 includes the bundle, all 8 make and takes, a full bolt of ribbon, look how cute that ribbon is, and a full pack of the Memory of Moore's Flowers for Every Season card pack. This is option 1 and it's $79. When you choose this option, you're actually getting this whole pack for free. That's $11. I'm giving you that for free. So that's option 1. Now option 2 is for those of you that already own the bundle. Either you have ordered it already, you're a demonstrator, or you have a demonstrator and you don't want to order it from me. That's totally fine. Option 2 does not include the bundle, but it does include the full pack of cards. You'll need these. It includes that bolt of ribbon and all 8 make and takes. Now both classes include a full color step-by-step tutorial PDF. You'll get that to put your cards together. These come and you can do them at your leisure whenever it's convenient for you. There's no date or time that you have to show up or get online to do these. All the instructions are included in the PDF. Now option 3 is for those of you that don't want me to send you anything, but you want the tutorials. You have everything, you just want the tutorials. That's option 3, and that option is $15. The PDFs are always available over in my PDF store forever. They don't expire, so they're always there, and you can hop over. There's a link in the description page. You click on that link, go over there, purchase that PDF, and it's immediately emailed to you. If for some reason it doesn't show up, which sometimes happens, I don't know what happens, they end up in cyberspace somewhere, just email me and let me know and I'll have it resent to you. And then option 4, of course, is for my downline, my Sweet Stampede first level. They get the whole kit, including the cards, for just $22, and they get free shipping. So there are your options. The deadline to sign up for this class is June 21st. I will spend the next week cutting, prepping, packing, ordering, organizing, labeling all your things, and have them in the mail to you on June 28th. Shipping is $8. It is priority mail. That means it comes in 2 to 3 days. It has tracking and insurance. Okay, so that's it. Now listen, I cannot list the link to the registration page online per Stampin' Up! Policy. You have to email me and ask me for the registration link. If you get this video in an email, the link will be there in the email. But just shoot me an email and let me know that you want to register and I'll send that link over. Make sure you sign up by the 21st of June to get these beautiful sunflower projects delivered right to your mailbox. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.